3 in a row. It's no mean feat. The history makers, the record breakers, the team that have simply been head and shoulders above the rest.
This is your boy Merel, bringing you another episode yase Naturena with Merel. Befuze ngabe bafethu this episode ngayifaka earlier like izolo, but benenkinga encane, so I couldn't update bafethu ngesimo sokuthi nezulu belibhede. So namhlanje ngikhona ngikanje bringing you another analyst and episode as a Naturena with Merel. So bafethu keep on liking and keep on supporting our YouTube channel. Kuzo zonke inkundla khona Facebook, isikhona ku TikTok. So bafethu much love bafethu, please follow. So bafethu, there's this problem esibhekene nayo eNaturena bafethu. To be honest, it's been 9 seasons. I think manje sesisondele kwi-decade la we are trophyless. And kunzima kakhulu because sesizame kakhulu management say-blame coach from Steve Komphela, Solinas, Gavin Hunt, Stuart Baxter, Atazwane, Kevin Johnson, Molefi Ntseki. It's almost 7 coaches and it was 8 low. And silokhu sizama the always 9 kube Ines Middendorp uyena ke umuntu wazama ukuthi izinto zithi ukwenzeka simo sokuthi wasithatha position 2, we lost the league ngomzuzu wokugcina. We can't fault him futhi nalapho because vele sasingasamfundi, but egcineni if you can see ufuna umuntu wabuka nama circumstances zakhe, it was very very tough again because kwavele kwafika ne COVID, kwalahleka nane player balekile again ngoba uJosh Maluleka on January transfer window. So it was very very tough in fact. Then sithi analyze sibuke kwi-game adekhona adidlala eCape Town City. Bafethu, it's very ngathi kubuhlungu ukuthina singama-fans ngesimo sokuthini siyafuna ukuthi uNabi simnike the opportunity, the time yokuthi enze squad sakhe sijele, simo sokuthi sekuyisikhathi eside vele izinto zingenzeki. It's been a long time. So i-culture yagcina ilahleka, structure se-team sagcina silahleka, philosophy yagcina ilahleka, njengoba desho kwi-Disk TV interview uLindo Phephu stating ukuthi i-Chiefs ayisenayo i-culture, ayisenayo philosophy, ayisenayo structure, yabo. And it's understandable ngesimo sokuthi it's been 9 years, it's been very rough and ma-struggles ebemaningi kakhulu, yabo leyo nto leyo. But njengamanje izinto engithe ukuyicosha kule game adidlala kwi-Cape Town City ukuthi you could see ukuthi abadlali bakhona there is quality, but kodwa manje ayikho culture, ayikho structure, ayikho philosophy. In what terms? In simple structure, because njengamanje ngoba siyazi ukuthi okay noma iliphi player elifuna ukudlala njengamanje elifuna ukungena ku-Kaizer Chiefs elisha, in which system will him fit in kuleyo system, uzofitha kanjani? You could see ukuthi ama-long balls bafethu sihlezi sikhala ngayo indaba yamona. Thina sazi i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs kuyitikitaka mfethu, uyabona kumnandi mfethu, kuthi ukuthi ayisekho yonke leyo nto leyo. Nane momentum mfethu esasiqale ngayo kwisizini iqala, I'm a bit worried ngayo bafethu, I'm a bit bit worried ngayo ngoba umuntu athi ukubheka bekumnandi uyabona mfethu igenge ukuthiwa ukuthi siyasebenzisana, there was the spirit, there was confidence, yabona bikhandeka and structure besikhona. Into njengamanje engididayo vele singathi unabi inkinga, singathi ama-players inkinga, but kukhona lento le eyahletshelwa lama-players if kwaba ama-players ahletshelwa or noma kwenzakalani, but kunento eyashintsha after 5 games. Kunento eyashintsha after 5 games. Kunento eyashintsha and ngiyasho namanje ukuthi kukhona lento eyashintsha after 5 games ngoba emva kalapho asiphindanga saba yilento esaba yiyona during the 3 games or 2 games. But kodwa futhi ngabuya understand ukuthi phinde futhi kwaba nama injuries ka Castillo, ka Sereno. Yabona there was a lot of tension futhi ngaphakathi nangama neindaba zakhe ama situations akho Sereno. So uyabona ukuthi kusho sekuzithe eziningi izinto ne pressure yaphinde eqala phansi yakhuphuka. So seziningi izinto esezi-effect sezenza ukuthi zihinderishe vele the process yabo yonabi ukuthi but kodwa kuliphi ibhola edlalwayo ngoba ngabe siyazi ukuthi okay sedliwa in which system, in which philosophy yokudlala. So kunzima bafethu ngoba nami to be honest le interview le episode ngiyifaka nje angikho right. Very heartbroken. I'm very heartbroken ngesimo sokuthi sibuyele emuva bafethu la sesiyaphambili but ngibona ngathi sibuyele emuva ebholeni la season. So njengamanje I think sekumele manje kube ingxoxiswane zokuhlala phansi management kanye noNabi in terms of bringing a technical team entsha, not entsha but a South African coach umuntu ozohlala la eduze amfundise South African football because siyabona ukuthi umsizile uJose Rivero noma efike nayo inani yakhe noma efike nayo i-technical team yakhe but kube khona uMandla Ncikazi na kwi-Sundowns ukhona Steve Komphela is a South African football coach. So nakwiChiefs I think because yabona nabo oCedric Faze osanda kufika I'm a bit worried ngabo because asiboni input yabo ukuthi kahle bamenzelani bethu yabona lo mjida lo. So igcineni bethu kunzima kakhulu bethu ukuthi ngishe grounding awayikho ama combination sihlula ngisho kwenza ama 3 to 4 passes yabo igcineni kusuku mfethu siyafuna ukubhida from the back but ekubhindeni from the back kwethu ayikho i-structure sokuya phambili igcineni kusuku just long balls mfethu. So yabona it's gonna be a very long season bafethu to be honest ngoba kunzima kakhulu kuningi kusamele kulungu from the scouting. I think kusithatha almost 5 years ukuthi iChiefs ibuyele to that Chiefs yazwayo if be serious because if uyabuka mfethu Jose Rivero bathatha indebe besahleli almost 3 months uyayibona into not comparing phela yabona o Rivero noNabi kodwa nje egcini kosuku kumele sibuye sifunde kwamanye ama-team enza kahle nangendlela benza ngayo ngoba egcini kosuku mfethu very heartbreaking team kuma-Khosi fans yabona ayikho into eyenzakalayo sibonayo njengamanje qhubeka iya phambili kodwa-ke soqhubeka simnikele benefit of the doubt uNabi siqhubeke simseke simnike futhi naleso sikhathi asidingayo sithembe ukuthi ne-management yamnika support ekutheni ngithenge abadlali okumele bethenge but kodwa nje all in all bafethu I wanna thank you bafethu qhubeke ningisupport ngiqhubeke ni like and subscribe to YouTube on my channels and follow our pages on TikTok and Facebook ngithanda nje kakhulu bafethu, ngithanda kakhulu bafethu uqhubekeni lakhe Makhosi fans kuze kulunge. Ikhathi kanje ziyafika kuphinde ehlile. We hope for the better nathi ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku ezinye zezinto zizogcina ihlangene zigcine zihambe kahle. So nje bafethu ngicela ukuthi uqhubekeni lakhe, uqhubekeni support. Nami kumina engifundayo kunina enginama comment bayafaka abantu, so kuningi ngifundayo nami I'm growing bafethu kusase early. So bafethu nje siqhubeke sihambisane, those who support me ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. It's a new year 2025, nami ngizofika nezinto ezintsha kuhamba kwesikhathi. So qhubeke bafethu support Kaizer Chiefs, ngithande kunzima kubheka kundaba, but ekugcineni kosuku kuze kulunge as long as everyone is willing to work towards achieving the goal, and the goal which the Chiefs go to the former glories and the glory days.
Three in a row. It's no mean feat. The history makers, the record breakers, the team